The Adventure of Peter Rabbit. Hi, my name's Peter. I'm a rabbit. I have 3 sisters, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. They are good little rabbits. But I'm a little naughty. One morning, my mom says, "Now, my dears, you can go and play in the field. But remember, do not go into Mr. McGregor's garden. It's dangerous." Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail listen to their mother. But I am very curious. What's in that garden? I need to check. I run straight to the garden. I squeeze under the gate. It's hard, but I manage. Inside, there are so many vegetables. I love my veggies. Let's have a little snack. First, I eat some lettuce. Then I eat some radishes. I try some French beans. What about some cabbage? Soon, I feel a little sick. I have a stomachache. Oh, I know. I need some parsley. It helps. So I go and look for some parsley. Parsley. I need some parsley. But suddenly, I see Mr. McGregor. He looks angry. He's walking towards me. He's shouting, "Stop, thief!" I run as fast as I can. I hide in a bush. Mr. McGregor is looking for me. Shh, quiet. But then something happens. I sneeze. Uh-oh. Mr. McGregor looks my way. I have to get away. Now or never. So I jump out and run to the gate. I look back for a second, and I don't see a bucket of water in front of me. I knock it over and get all wet. "Stop stealing my vegetables, little thief!" Mr. McGregor shouts, "or I will catch you and cook you for dinner." This time, I don't look back. Here is the gate. I tried to squeeze under the gate, but I get stuck. Uh-oh, I am stuck. But I don't give up. I try harder. I push and push. Then, poof, I lose my button. But I escape. I look back and see Mr. McGregor shouting. Phew, that was close. I run home to my mom and sisters. "Where have you been?" my mom asks. Choo! I sneeze again. I don't know what to say. My naughty little rabbit, my mom says. Go to bed now. I will bring you some tea. So I lie in bed and drink warm tea. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail have milk and blackberries and some fresh buns for dinner. I can't. Next time, I will listen to my mom. Well, I will try. If you'd like to hear more stories like this, subscribe.